What's up everyone, my name is Joris. Saving is important. It is one of the first steps towards financial literacy and towards your financial goals. The internet is full of financial gurus who tell you, if you want to be rich, you'll have to save as much as you can. Or if you want to make more money, just spend less. Or even becoming a millionaire is very easy. Just save. But saving can be very hard if you've never done it before. In this video, I will show you how you can save for the first time, how you can start saving in a good way, and how you'll be able to bump up your savings, and even how to take your first steps towards being a millionaire. If you've never saved before, consider the following. Take €1. It's not that much, is it? You can't even buy a loaf of bread or a beer with it. And even if you do not earn that much, or if you think you cannot save at all, I'm pretty sure that €1 will not be a problem. So why not use it to start saving? In your first week of saving, put €1 aside. Place it physically into a jar or transfer it to a new savings account. This way you can visualize your process. The next week, save €2. Still not that much, so it still should be very easy. Progress every week by saving €1 more than the week before. At the end of the year, you'll put aside €52 for that last week. In total, you'll have saved up €1,378 in that whole year. A great start for those who have never saved before. All it takes is the dedication to put your savings away every week, and you'll see your results come in. A few remarks, however. If you think that €1 is too little for you, why not start off with a larger amount, like €2 or even €5? If you start with €2 and keep adding €1 to the amount you are saving every month, you'll end up with €1,430. If you start with €5, you go to 6, 7 and so on, you'll end up with €1,586. I do, however, suggest to start out small and bumping up the savings rate after a year. It will be easier to keep a small savings amount going than to keep a big one going. Even if you have a rough time, a small amount won't be that much of a problem to put aside, while a bigger one might cause one, and might even cause you to stop saving altogether. If you feel confident, or if you're on your second year of savings, try doubling the weekly amount you are saving compared to the year before. If you used to save €1, €2, €3 a week, now try to do €2, €4, €6 a week. A total of €2,756 will be saved throughout the year. But do mind that the last month might be a very heavy one with €404 to save. To avoid having heavy saving months and to make savings more fun, you could randomize the amount you have to save every week. Write down all numbers from 1 to 52, put them into a jar, and every week you pick out one, and that's the amount you'll have to save that week. This random number keeps you on your edge, so you'll have to learn how to cope with an unexpected large or small amount to save that week. Another key takeaway is to not start in January. I know all good intentions start in January, but almost none of them live very long. People buy their gym memberships in January and they stop going to the gym by March. Most of them then even forget to cancel their gym fee, and that's how the gyms make their money, by the way. Another reason is that if you start in January and you use the compounding method, your most expensive or your most heavy savings month will be December, a month already filled with present givings and parties, so it's very hard to keep that going. So, start somewhere else in the year, preferably at the beginning of a month. Start off small, but keep going. Make it visual to keep yourself motivated, and, if need be, randomize it for an extra challenge. Of course, you will not become a millionaire by saving only €1,378 a year. You'll have to do more than that. But you cannot write a book if you do not know how to write. So, first, you will need to know and learn about the personal finance basics, and then you'll have to go from there. In the next video, we will take the next steps and explore in what other ways you can save and where you might already be saving. A very important view is that in order to make money, you'll have to spend money. Spending money is easy. I'm doing it all the time. Sure, but spending money wisely, that's quite the art. I will see you in the next video.